Your secret guide to losing weight fast. Losing weight is a major concern for many people. But losing weight is not easy. Let me share with you a few shortcuts to losing weight fast, the easy way. In a survey, it was found that 91% of people want to lose weight dash. But it takes a lot of time and effort to get the desired results. If you are looking for a quick fix, then this video is for you. We will show you a few tips and tricks that will help you achieve your goal in the quickest possible way. So, without any further ado, let's get started. 1. Cut out sugar from your diet. Sugar is a huge source of empty calories and will make you feel hungry all the time. Sugar is calorie heavy and will make you feel hungry, even after eating. It's also a huge source of empty calories. 2. Drink more water. Water helps you stay hydrated, which makes you feel fuller for longer periods of time. You might have heard other people tell you that drinking water can help you lose weight. That's because drinking water makes you feel fuller for longer periods of time. 3. Eat more fiber-rich foods. Fiber fills you up without adding extra calories, which means that it can help keep hunger at bay for a long period of time. Fiber is the roughage found in plant-based foods such as fruits, vegetables, grains and legumes. It's important for keeping your digestive system running well and preventing constipation. Fiber can also help you feel fuller faster because it takes longer to digest than other carbohydrates. 4. Get active every day for at least 30 minutes. Physical activity stimulates your body to release endorphins, which makes you feel better about yourself and less hungry. Sitting down all day long can lead to health problems. If you're looking to lose weight or get healthier, it's important that you get active every day for at least 30 minutes. It doesn't need to be intense exercise like going to the gym or running on the treadmill. Even just walking is beneficial, but moving your body every day can help make a huge difference in your life. 5. Try intermittent fasting, if is an eating pattern where people eat within a specific window of time each day, typically between 12 to 18 hours per day, for example, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Intermittent fasting is a way to cut calories without intentionally trying to. It's also a smart way to stay on track with healthy eating because it doesn't require calorie counting. It can help you lose weight and improve your health, while feeling energized and satisfied at the same time. That's all for now. We hope you found these tips helpful and wish you all the best in your weight loss journey. Stay healthy. If you found this video helpful, do click the like button, subscribe to our channel for more such content in future.